As Robert Frost says, nothing gold can stay. And this is true for everything in our universe, including the stars that burn brightly for billions of years. But no matter how long you live, everything must come to an end. And in the case of stars, it comes with huge explosions and giant transfers of energy. But, as NASA on July 19th of 2019 explains, not all stars die in these explosions in this next movement of evolution. And some instances, such as a zombie star, are left behind, the remnants of a living star that was brought back to life from its movement towards death. And as Friedrich Alexander of Nuremberg, Germany in 2019 explains, these zombie stars are creating chemical races that are expanding the universe even further, allowing us to discover more about the universe. So today, let's look at zombie stars through their origins, their discoveries, and their implications. Zombie stars are rare in instance, but stars themselves die in a natural understanding. So to begin, the origin of zombie stars and how they are made. We see that zombie stars are part of a close binary system, where two stars are very close together in orbit around a central mass, bound together by gravity. Because of their proximity, it allows them to share their mass between each other and transfer it. And in the process of a zombie star, the larger star begins to die out because it burns fastly, and it transfers its energy to the small dying star next to it, giving it more and more mass as it grows and eventually absorbs the other star, creating a huge star known as a helium star. Now, the imbalance of energy within this helium star causes huge explosions of the outer layers of the star, leaving behind two crippled cores of stars. Within these stars, there is another imbalance of energy, leading one of the stars to explode in a supernova, or supernovae, because it is a small supernova. It doesn't kill the other star, but rather expands its energy and brings back to life the other star, allowing it to burn with energy. And from this, as Friedrich Alexander University astronomers explain, they found 3 different zombie stars recently, all of which are almost of a different class of stars from the ones that we originally know. The discoveries of these stars have led to 2 new things: new star types and an expanding universe. Now, when we think about these stars, maybe they're just brought back to life, but it's not necessarily true because they aren't regular stars. There's new compositions from a helium star and a hydrogen star now being transferred to neon and oxygen. And this is because of these thermonuclear hydrogen bombs that are created in the explosions, causing the lighter elements, in this case helium and hydrogen, to transfer into heavier ones such as neon and oxygen. And this is through nuclear fusion. During this process, it creates high velocity stars. And as the University of California explains, causes these stars to break the link of their binary system, leaving their gravitational pull and rocketing through space at high speeds. We see that this causes space to expand and increases the star velocity and creating chemical races. Now, as the universe continues to expand, the scientists are trying to keep up. However, zombie stars give us reasons to what the questions that we're asking, new answers leading to our implication. Because at the beginning, we wonder about its origin, but we see that we're getting new answers to space, abnormalities, and new branches, leading to why it's expanding. And from this, we see that we can start to create answers to the unpredictability of the universe, allowing us to protect ourselves from high-velocity stars from going too far from their orbits, should it harm us. We see that the galaxy is the map, and the stars are the population. There's always more to learn, but through zombie stars and more, we can see that reality might be starting to line up with what we thought only happened in science fiction. Thank you.